is that we all get it. Don't give in to the pain, just keep living, cause
got dreams I'm striving for. So I'm gonna live higher. I'm gonna live higher. I got dreams I'm striving.
What's up, guys? It's Toby Rosario, and in today's video I wanted to talk about how you can pull a list of cash buyers from Propstream, and we're going to talk about what you should be doing. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like, smash that like button so I can move up in the algorithm there. Okay. So we're logged into Propstream. So I just picked a random, move this over here. So I just picked a random state. I just picked Las Vegas. So obviously when you put Las Vegas here, you get a list of all these data points, right? MLS, pre-foreclosure, auction, foreclosure, cash buyers, right? So what you want to do is cash buyers. You see that there's 111,982 cash buyers, right? But if you watch my previous videos, what I recommend is to just focus on one zip code. So I am going to pick one zip code here. Let me pick a zip code. I'm trying to find a zip code. Let me just pick on this. Okay, 89122. 89122. All right, that's Las Vegas. Let's see how. All right, so it's 3,000. So in this zip code, this here. So in this zip code, you see all the cash buyers in just this one zip code. So if you send out direct mail to this one zip code and you get a deal, well, first of all, you'll know at what price they're buying, right? So let's go into details. 1 second. Cash sale. Sell amount was $240. So he paid $240 for this. Looks like he paid $240 for this house. Let's go to another example here. All right, let's go this one. So he just purchased this one. This one was purchased not too long ago. Sale amount was 60. So he paid 62,000 cash. There it is, right there. So you get to see exactly how many bedrooms, how many baths, what the square footage, lot size, year built, all those things. That way you can understand what they're buying these properties at, right? What they're buying, like what a cash buyer is willing to pay for that similar type of property. So if you send out direct mail, what you can do is you send out direct mail, you get a deal, or you know exactly what they're buying at. You would have to obviously know the statistics of what people are buying in that particular zip code at what price point and what similar condition, square footage, all those things, and then you can sell that deal fairly quickly because you have all their information here. You can just see who purchased it, if it's an LLC or a homeowner, or like just someone who purchased it without a LLC. As you saw, I don't know what I got out of it. So it would be down here, buyer's mailing address. Well, that's the JP Mortgage. So let's not worry about that one. Alright, so you get to see all this information. You get to see who purchased the property. You can skip trace them on what you would do is if it's an LLC. If it's an LLC, you have to go to Open Corporates and get their information, and then give them a skip trace that the registered agent on that LLC. Give them a call or send them direct mail if you have their mailing address, the buyer's mailing address. So that's essentially what you would do. I use batch skip tracing. I'll have all the links below for Propstream, the free trial, and batch skip tracing. This is who I use. So you just gather a list of cash buyers, skip trace them, give them a call, or send them direct mail themselves, and that way you can let them know that you have a potential deal that they might be interested, because you know at what price point they are buying. You get to see all that information here in Propstream, excuse me. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, square footage, lot size, all those things. So you get to see exactly at what price point these cash buyers are purchasing these properties for, and that way you don't have to worry about the easiest part of finding that cash buyer, because buyers are a dime a dozen right now, so you don't really need to worry about that. But if you did, this is one way that you can do it. There's other ways you can do it, but this is just a way you can do it using this particular platform. So I'll have the links below for Propstream. I'll have the links below for batch script tracing. That's my time. My name is Toby Rosario. Peace.